Hello everyone and welcome to another WebFlow tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install Google Tag Manager in a WebFlow website. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do is to come here to our WebFlow website. Then from the top left-hand side, we are going to select Site Settings. Once we come here in Site Settings, then we're going to select Custom Code. Now here in Custom Code is where we're going to paste the code of our Google Tag Manager. Where are we going to find this code? We're going to go to our Google Tag Manager. We are going to access our container to begin with. And once we access our container, then we are going to go to Admin from the top left-hand side. And here we are going to select Install Google Tag Manager. And here you're going to see two tracking codes. So the first one, we need to paste it in the header of our website. So we are going to copy this tracking code. We are going to go back to WebFlow custom code, and we're going to paste this here. And then the second one, we need to paste it immediately after the opening body tag. So we are going to copy this tracking code here, and we are going to come here to our WebFlow, and we are going to paste it right here, add code at the end of the body tag. And now we're just going to save, and that's it. That's everything that we need to do to install Google Tag Manager in a WebFlow website. So one more time, you're going to come here to custom code. You're going to find two boxes, one that is relevant to your head code, another one that is relevant to your body tag. You're going to go to Google Tag Manager. You're going to go to Admin, install Google Tag Manager. Here you're going to find the tracking codes for your Google Tag Manager. You're going to copy the first one. You're going to paste it under the head code. You're going to copy the second one. You're going to paste it under the second box here, the body code. You are going to save, and that's it. That's how easy it is to install Google Tag Manager in a WebFlow website. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.